Today I am going to talk to you about the TQM. Quality word you know very well. Quality means different people, different meaning to different people, but many times person felt that being cheated when he bought a product or the services. This is the reason why total quality management is needed for a company so that maximum number of clients are satisfied. The author is trying to interpret TQM in simple words which can be understood by even non-technical persons. There is a phrase that it is easy to preach than to do it. To preach is possible only when one believes that there are chances of improvement. With this single belief, I have clicked a few new processes and techniques in my career which hitherto have never been thought of. This not only improved quality of the product, increased monthly productions, and in some cases they were cost saving also. The examples of these I have described in my earlier videos, and in future videos also I will inform you that what were those in my research or innovations. You will immediately raise a question how this is possible. Before I answer this question, I would like to put a puzzle before you. There is a, there is a 6-digit number which when multiplied by any single digit between 1 to 6, the sequence of numbers is maintained in the product. This number is 142857. When you multiply it by 3, the product is 428571. You see the sequence of the digit is in the product is maintained. So this is what I am trying to impress you, because I propose a similar unique magic number which is applicable to all the businesses, all the industries, and I have seen that this unique magic number is equally applicable to old or new industries. It has to be followed by everybody from a level of worker or to a level of director, which finally leads to TQM. TQM is nothing but awareness program for executives and appreciation program for supervisors and workers. This interesting unique magic number is WWWWH, where the digits are changed by alphabets. And before I elaborate this unique, interesting magic number, you have to set following points in your mind. Before it is one, it is not true that TQM persons at senior levels only are suitable and can produce quality products and services. Second is you should have a keen and minute observation power on the work or processes is happening before you. Third is you should listen to others patiently, whether you are juniors or the seniors. Fourth is you should have the ability to read in between the lines. This is very important for your development. This skill you have to develop. Fifth is you should be able to cross-check the information provided to you. And sixth is you should have a practical imagination power. This is also equally important. You should have a logical as well as mathematical approach to the problem faced by you. Now I come back to the interesting unique magic number WWWWH. Here each W stands for who, when, why, what and where. H letter stands for how. Here any W can be used for any of the above mentioned words. Approach to the core problem through unique magic number is WWWWWWH is via concentric circles representing problems. Inner circle showing less and less problems, dark circle showing the main problem, which if solved by you, it shows the solutions provided by you. Now you are curious to know how to use this magic number and from where to start. Well, you can ask yourself the following questions to yourself whenever you face a problem. What is the problem? Where is the problem? Why is this problem? When is the problem? Who is responsible for this problem? And finally, how can I solve this problem? When you have answered these questions, you get a direction to move. You can start a fresh state of questions, answers obtained or through your diagnosis. That will lead you to second, third and fourth, etc. inner sets of the magic number. This is because several factors must have contributed to the problem, which compels you to identify the exact cause and hence find a proper solution. Solution provided you may be a short term and immediately solution, or it may be a long term measure required. Carrying out the exercise repeatedly, you become an expert and smart to reach to the core of the problem in a shortest time and solving them immediately, and that will impress your bosses. Carrying out the exercise repeatedly, you become an expert and smart to reach to the core of problem in the shortest time and solving them immediately. When all the employees start working in this way and everyone keeps his record activity and observations in the notebook, the company becomes an ISO certified company. In a global market, checks and balances needs to be in place. Otherwise, it will be difficult to maintain consistency and quality across industries and nations. ISO certification certifies that a management system, manufacturing processes, service or documentation procedures has all the requirements for the standardization and quality assurance. ISO is an independent non-government organization that develops standards to ensure the quality, safety and efficiency of the products, services and system. Thank you very much.